I'll order
All
6.
right, we got the thumbs
Okay,
up.
guys, we're actually it's really good timing. So here we go. It's 3:26 p.m. right now. Here is the stopwatch that we're gonna use.
And Molly's got the shrimp.
Molly
ready to
has
go.
1 hour. She's not gonna get up. The only time we'll get up, we'll get her water. She has Coke and
Diet Pepsi.
she has Diet Pepsi. Sorry. We're at the San Pedro Fish Market Grill, and we're gonna get things started. Molly, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and boop.
Let's get it.
We're started. Guys, do not try any of this at home. I mean, try shrimp at home, try shrimp here, but don't eat massive amounts of shrimp. Molly is a professional. She's the #1, I'm going to say, independent, competitive eater
120.
in the world.
121.
And she's out here proving it to the masses right now. Woo!
That's 200.
200 shrimp in the
202.
bag.
And we're not even at 11 minutes yet, folks.
Yo, that's crazy. We're 11 minutes down.
Wow.
I can just stop eating right now and it's kind of close to it.
Whoa, did she just casually tie almost Joey Chestnut's record when he was like trying to eat that fast?
Yeah, she just casually like got pretty dang close.
Oh my gosh. Wait, Molly, can I ask you a super serious question? A very, very serious question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most full, 1 being super hungry still, where are you at right now? 22 minutes into the game.
22.
You're, God, this is going to be our permanent relationship where I ask Molly a question she does not answer.
Oh, she gives you a fine.
She does answer. You're right.
I
You're
do
right.
birthday
She-
parties.
Oh,
You're
she does
always
birthday
folks.
parties. Shout out to Fanbot for the Twitch donations.
Longest contest or challenge I've ever done, either or, is half an hour. That's like,
Half hour's a lengthy challenge as well, though.
that's a lot. Like if you have like a contest, 10 minutes. We're really trained mostly to do speed eating. We're not
Yeah.
trained to eat over an hour.
Right.
Like, how do you stagger yourself to like, oh, because we're used to just like eat.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, like, you start eating fast, and all of a sudden you're like, crap. If I eat at that pace, I mean, I'll be done at 40 minutes. I can't touch anything else.
Yeah.
I mean, it's impossible.
I mean, you could tap whenever you like, but I understand.
Done.
But I understand. I know you're not. But I understand now. I think we made it an hour because we just thought it would be fun to hang out for an
Yeah,
hour.
no, if it was half an hour, I would have gone a hell of a lot faster.
Yeah.
All right, we did. We good. We hit 400,
Woo!
and that's in 41 minutes and 26 seconds.
Oh my gosh. I'm nervous now. I'm nervous. This is big time. This is big time. All right, guys, if you're following or if you're lurking in the chat and you haven't followed us, throw a follow our way so you can get notified next time we go live. It don't cost anything. Just hang out with us. Guys, if you're just tuning in, we have almost 10 minutes left. We're here with Molly Schuyler, competitive eater, the #1 independent one in the world. Here we go. We're at the San Pedro Fish Market Grill on beautiful National Shrimp Day, beautiful overcast day here in Southern California, and we're attempting to set a world record of shrimp eaten in one sitting. I think we've already demolished any record on paper today, thanks to everyone watching. And we have 10 minutes left. She's already on oh, she's bringing in another tray, y'all.
490 shrimp that were in tray 1.
You guys, so Molly, when we dropped the first
smelled
shrimp,
like more.
she said it smelled more like 420. We thought only 420 shrimp were there. She said,
there's more.
Smells like more.
It smells more.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, so the world records on record were from Joey Chestnut. He had 7 pounds of shrimp in 8 minutes.
That was 260 shrimp.
That was 260 shrimp. That was over at the San Pedro Fish Market, actually, last year. So she's already demolished that. Time is a little different, but this wasn't a speed run. This was a marathon, if you will. So, yep, putts,
And
exactly.
Keep in mind, folks, that 31 to 37 of these shrimp is equivalent to a pound.
Gotcha. So 31 to 37 of these shrimp roughly is 1 pound.
And as Molly goes onto the tray for number 500,
Cool.
keep in mind that she's already well over 10 pounds of shrimp easy.
You think?
At least.
Wait, so 500. Fanbot, can we clip that when you get a chance? Woo! All right, guys, we're going to clip that at 500, and then we'll send that off into the Twitter sphere. That's insane. Where we at, Coast?
We're at 567.
567, guys. We have officially 4 minutes left. Get those last cheers in to Molly, guys.
All the shrimps of the world. Oh my god.
All the shrimps in the ocean are on that platter right now.
All shrimps matter.
She is mowing right now. That shrimp is grass,
Oh my goodness.
and she is Tim the Toolman Taylor on a portable lawnmower thing, and she's just destroying this. Gavorian.
My goodness. After that onslaught, she's at 579.
Oh my gosh. Where does it go? You guys, we're 56 minutes in. If you're just tuning in, this is it. This is the best. Oh, she's going. She's not thinking about anything at this point other than beautiful Diet Pepsi. She's being guzzled down that throat. I don't
3
know,
minutes.
Putz. I think it gives a little something to do. But that's a good question about if this would go any different if the tails were cut off already. Live and learn.
598.
Woo! Nice. Molly is.
My goodness. I'm just like trying to keep up. Eli, you gotta
Oh
help me
my
on
gosh.
time, Doc.
Okay, yeah, I got the time. 57 minutes, 30 seconds left, guys.
We're at 607.
607 shrimp. Light work. The lightest of work. Feather work. This is absolutely insane, guys. There might not be enough shrimp for her.
Oh my goodness.
She's totally pulling the juke right now.
Oh, it's 621.
621 shrimp. Shout out to everyone, all the new subs using those beautiful emotes. Cheering Molly on. Shout out to Chris Blackwood. Everyone go follow him as well. Oh, no shrimp left untouched. There we go.
629.
She just had another gear. She just dropped into that other gear. That Tesla 0 to 60 in 3 seconds.
It's like watching
new model.
Steph Curry in the fourth quarter.
Yeah, when he hopefully not the one where he tried to dunk and he just
No,
bricked
like last night where he hit like 3 threes.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Yo. We ran out of shrimp, y'all. There's 58 minutes. There's 1 minute left.
And she ate 642
Oh
shrimp.
my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's give it up for Molly. Let it be known. Let it be known. There is still 1 minute left, guys. Let it be known. Oh my gosh.